Good afternoon, friends. And yesterday we have discussed highest common factor HCF or GCD. And today we are going to study about least common multiple LCM, least common multiple. And least common multiple, the definition says the smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. The smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. For example, let us look the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. So the smallest positive number which is common. So we just now we wrote multiples. Now look for common elements. Common elements are here 6 is common, 12 is also common. So what is the least element among them? We have common elements 6 and 12 and the least common multiple is 6. The smaller number is 6. So this is the meaning of LCM. We write multiples first, then we write common multiples, then we have to find the smaller number, least number. So the definition says the smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers, which means common. So we will show an example. So already we have seen the LCM of 2 and 3. How to find the least common multiple of 2 and 3? That is the question. So we have to find multiple first. The first step is writing multiples. So I have to write multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Now I have to look for common elements. So the common elements are 6 and 12. So multiples are ready, common elements are ready, then we have to find the least element. So 6 and 12 are the common multiples and the smaller number, the least number is 6. 12 is larger, 6 is smaller, so least number is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. And then next example, LCM of 3 and 4. So I have to write first multiple, then I have to write common elements, then I have to find the least number. So I write multiples of 3 and multiples of 4, and the common elements are 12, 24, etc. So multiples are written, common elements are ready. Now I have to find the least element. There is only one element, 12. So this is the least one. So the least common multiple is 12. So this is a smaller technique compared to larger number. It is very difficult to find. For example, find the LCM of 100 and 2000. So it is very difficult to find the multiples. So we have another method, that is the common method adopted everywhere. So in your text you have the method here. In this method also you have to find the least common multiple of more than two numbers. And coming to question, find the least common multiple of 20, 25 and 30. So listen well, this is very important. You have to find the least common multiple of 20, 25 and 30. So it is very difficult to write the multiples of 20, multiples of 25, multiples of 40 or multiples of 30, etc. Then you have to find the common element. Then among them you have to find the least element. These are all very difficult. So that you have to find another method that is given here. So this is the method you have to write for exam, and also for your future classes you have to do this method. So the first step is we have to arrange like this. Even if we have to do here, I have to arrange 20, 25 and 30. So like prime factorization I have to give a sign. Then 20, 25 and 30, we have three numbers. You have to put space among 20, 25 and 30. So don't write closely like this 20, 25, 30. Don't write like this. You have to give space among 20, 25 and 30. Then first step, read the A, section A. Please read. What is section A? Divide by the least prime number which divides at least one given number. So what is the smallest prime number? Smallest prime number is 2. We have to check any one of this number is divided by 2 or not. Since 20 and 30 are dividing by 2, it divides 2. So we can say that we can write 2 first. Since any one element ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സംഖ്യ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 2 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Suppose this is 3, 5 and 7. For example, 3, 5 and 7. I cannot write 2 because 2 will not divide any one of these numbers. So at least one number should be divided by 2. So that I can write 2 here. So I am writing 2 here. Then 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Since 25 is not divisible by 2, I have to keep the 25. No change for 25 because 25 is not divisible by 2. So the number like 25 are not divisible by 2. So I have to write such as in the next row. You have to no change for 25. Then 30 by 2 which is equal to 15. So first stage over. Then moving to second step. So repeating. Here 10 we can divide by 2. So give 2. 5. Since 25 is not divisible by 2, directly write 25. 15 is also not divisible by 2. So move down the row. Means you have to just write 15 to the next row. And here we cannot write 2 because 5 is not divisible by 2, 25 is not divisible by 2, 15 is not divisible by 2. So our task is next prime number. So 2 we cannot use 2. If at least one number is divisible by 2, okay, no problem. But here no number is divisible by 2. 5, 25, 15. Check for 3. If 3 is possible or not. 5 cannot divide 3, right? 5 is not divisible by 3. 25 is also not divisible by 3. But 15, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 is okay. Since 5 is not divisible, just write 5. 25 also just write like that. Then 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So if it is not divisible, just there is no change for the number. So to directly write it to the next one. Then 5, 25 and 5 are the numbers. So look for 2. There are no chances for 2 since any one of these number is not divisible by 2. Then next number 3 is also not possible because 5 is not divisible by 3, 25 is not divisible by 3, 5 is not divisible by 3, so 3 is also not possible. The next prime number is 5. Yes, by looking itself we can say that 5 is possible. 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, and 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So we have to make the last row 1 1 1. So that again take this 5, only 5. So 1 1 1 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So this is the step. This is the step we have to write, and the step is here. So we have to make the last row 1 1 1. So if in this case I cannot divide by 2, the only number is 5, so directly write this 5 and we get 1 here. So these are the steps, and the first stage prime factorization is over. Now go to simply multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That is the LCM. Here you have to find the product of 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 12 into 5 is equal to 60, 60 into 5 is equal to 300. So 300 is the answer. So if you don't understand this video, kindly go back and rewatch. And next, you have to find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. For that, first I have to check 2 is possible. If any one number is possible, then 2 is possible. Since 12 is divisible by 2, I can take 2. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12, 8 into 2 is equal to 16, then 24 by 2 it is equal to 12, 36 by 2 is equal to 18. So first stage over, simply divide by 2. Again divide this number by 2. Since 6 is an even number, we can divide by 2. So 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Then 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 12 by 2 is equal to 6. And 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So the next step is also over. Then continuing to the next one, we have 3, 4, 6 and 9. Check whether 2 is possible or not. If one number is possible, it's okay. 4 is divisible by 2, therefore I can write 2 here. So since 3 is not divisible by 2, I have to directly change to the next row. 4 can be divided by 2, then 2. 6 also can be divided by 2, the answer is 3. 9 is not divisible by 2, then directly write this 9 here. So നമ്മൾ നോക്കേണ്ടത് ഇത്ര മാത്രം, 4 നമ്പറുകൾ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ആവുമോ, ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നമ്പർ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ആകുമോ എന്ന് നോക്കണം. 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ആകുമെങ്കിൽ 2 എഴുതുക. 12 12നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഹരിച്ച് 6, 16നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഹരിച്ച് 8, 24നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഹരിച്ച് 12, അങ്ങനെ എഴുതി വരിക. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ, ഇപ്പോൾ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എടുക്കുക, 3, 4, 6, 9. ഇവിടെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ആവും, കാരണം ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നമ്പർ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ 4/2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 3നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും എന്നുള്ളൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വരും. 3നെ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യേണ്ട, ഡിവൈഡ് ആകില്ലെങ്കിൽ നേരെ എഴുതിയേക്കാം, വേറെ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പോകണ്ട. ഡിവൈഡ് ആകുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ നേരെ താഴത്തോട്ട് ഇറക്കി എഴുതിയേക്കാം. So like that you have to finish, and we reach this step. And since 3, 2, 3, 9, check for 2 whether 2 is possible. Yes, since here is a 2, we can divide it with 2. So now change for 3. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 3 by 2, which is not possible, so directly write 3. 9 by 2 is also not possible, therefore write 2. Next row. Then here in this step there are no multiples of 2, so I can opt 3. Write 3 here. 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Since 1 is not divisible by 3, directly write 1. 3 by 3 again 1. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So we have 1, 1, 1, 3. So simply take this 3 outside, then you will get 1, 1, 1, 1. 3 by 3 which is equal to 1. So this is the process. If you didn't understand, please you can call me, or it is very difficult to get the numbers, I know. So you have to do more problems on this. And 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is the answer. The LCM is 144. After multiplying these numbers, we will get 144. Next, I am going to find the LCM of 20 and 30. So first step is write 20, 30. Check for 2. Yes, 2 is possible. 10 and 15. Check for 2. 2 is possible, since any one number 10 is here is okay. So 5 into 10, then 15 is not divisible by 2, so I have to directly write 15. Then 2 is not possible, but 3 is possible, since 15 is divisible by 3. So since 5 is not divisible by 3, I have to directly write 5. Then 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. Then 5 and 5. So no more numbers, I can give 5 here. So 5 by 5 is equal to 1. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So the answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into LCM is equal to LCM of 20 and 30 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 60. Likewise, you have to find, and also you have to write homeworks. So do it as a homework. You have to find the LCM of 10 and 20. Then you have to find the LCM of 30, 20 and 10. Then you have to find the LCM of 8, 9 and 6. So do it as a homework.